crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome back to the last video of Okhuga 2024. We're going to do a brief flip through of the journal. I'll explain anything I think needs some explanation as we go. I did add this little charm as a little spine dangle tied to extra bookbinding thread that I sewed the signature in with. I created the cover using an old book, cut the spine out to make a hollow spine, covered this spine with leather, created a cluster with some of the embellishments from one of the freebies, made a post-bound closure with a little elastic tie and an eyelet. On the inside, I did do that hidden binding where I did the 3-hole pamphlet stitch sewed into the suede binding here and then glued this suede binding onto my book cover. We've got the deckled edges of all the pages, distress inked, some machine embroidery. We sewed in some leaves and has some word sentiments. Got a pocket, 2 journaling cards, matted with lined journaling paper. Have a corner pocket here with an envelope. Did an embellishment here with a little Velcro closure. Another journaling card that we backed with more lined journaling paper and did some ink stamping. Did some watercolor play here with the Tim Holtz watercolor pencils and some stamping. Got a little heart paper clip here holding this little specimen card on. Got a belly band, a tag, matted with journaling paper, a journaling card, again matted, and did some stamping. Used some yarn for my tag pull. Got a pocket here with a tag. Did some mulberry paper there for a tag pull attached with a little tiny attacher. Backed with some decorative paper. Got a corner pocket here with another tag. Backed with one of the decorative paper images. Did the slotted hole punch here with some netting ribbon for my tag pull. Journaling page here with a hidden paper clip. Got some sentiment strips, made a little dangle that I attached to the paper clip. Got a tag pocket here with a side tuck to hold that specimen card. And then in the tag pocket, got a journaling card, did some stamping and a bookmark with some journaling space on the back. Got some field label stamping on that paper. Got the top tuck here with some washi tape and the word strip sentiments. Another journal card with some journaling line backing paper. Sewed in a fabric ruffle. Did a little 3D style embellishment here where I took this embellishment, I cut a slit right here to where I could tuck these little fussy cuts into it so it looks like they were inside the basket. Got a side tuck tag here with a journaling postcard. Did some distress inking on the back and some stamping. Added our word strip and some more stamping. Got a little tuck spot here that I created with a little paper washi strip from the kit. Cut these tabs out, and then I made those more like tuck spots. And the embellishment, I added some skeleton leaves. We've got a journaling card and a tag. Attached some more of that netting for the tag pull there with a Tim Holtz tiny attacher. Got some paper clip here. I've got these two pages stuck together. Hang on just a second. Music sheet paper here. Did some stamping on the music sheet paper. And then the little envelope with the little mini journaling cards inside. These are teeny tiny. This one has a music sheet on it, so I thought it went well with that music sheet page. Love these little tiny envelopes. Got a tag flip here, attached with some washi tape. Did some more stamping here. Another fussy cut embellishment here. Machine embroidered fabric ruffle there. Little stamping and cluster with some book page and one of the labels from the kit. Created another cluster with book page and some of the fussy cuts. Same thing here with some of the word strips. Sewed my signature in with the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and then I did glue that dolly down since it is just attached with the 3-hole pamphlet stitch in that one spot. And then I did some stamping of some forest trees here on the coffee dyed paper. Got an embellishment here, little cluster here. Did some more stamping. Got a little side tuck here with the journaling postcard backed with some decorative paper. Another embellishment here. Did one of the tabs here that I did the eyelet to hold the little mushroom charm dangle. Got an embellishment here. Pocket with the bingo journaling card. Did some more stamping on that music sheet. Little envelope with a hidden paper clip here. Didn't put anything in this envelope. Got some embellishments I cut out of the paper. More embellishments. Another hidden paper clip that I did another dangle. Used a little acorn, a word disc, shine like the stars, and a little crystal. Some more stamping. I tried to leave a lot of writing space for this journal because I may use this journal as a gratitude journal for November, or if I put it in my Ko-fi shop, someone could use it as a gratitude journal. Got a journal card there. Little small flip there. Another postcard attached with a paper clip. Backed with the journaling paper, more washi. Did more of that watercolor stamping there. Sewed in some more leaves. Another hidden paper clip there, and did a little double tag here with a hidden brad with the little tag there. And then we created our closure with the elastic tie. And so there we have our journal. I hope y'all have enjoyed this collaboration of hashtag Akhuga 2024. I have had a lot of fun participating in this collaboration. You do have a few more days to go back, catch up on any of the videos you've missed from weeks 1 through 4 from any of the 8 collaborators. Be sure to subscribe to everyone's channel, like all the videos, and comment on each and every video from all 8 collaborators from all 4 weeks to be entered into winning the prizes. You still have time to go grab the freebies from everybody's social media pages. And again, don't forget to go over and to get an extra entry into the drawing. Remember to post your finished journal pics with hashtag #AukHuga2024 by October 31st in the Facebook groups of Crafty Dragon Creations and or Creative Paper Artisan. And I can't wait to see everyone's creations. And until I see you next time again here in the attic, y'all take care.